out there know I absolutely love my Wicked cushions across all of my headphones and all of my headsets, and we've covered these on some new gaming headsets. The Odyssey Penrose, oh I love them. The Astro A50s and A40s, absolutely game-changing right there. And now, we're gonna talk about Wicked cushions on our Arc'teryx Nova line. Now the pads I'm gonna be showing you here today are gonna work on every single SteelSeries Arc'teryx Nova headset minus one, and that one is the SteelSeries Arc'teryx Nova Pro Wireless. These will work on a regular Pros, the wired one. Again, just not the wireless version, because we all know they got that clip-on bracket there, but I will be bringing those for you shortly as well. All right, so let's take a look at this, and I want to show you how easy this is and the difference it makes. Now we're taking a look at the 7X, the Nova 7X here, already with Wicked cushions applied. Over here, we have the Nova Pro wired. Again, it's going to work on all of them, minus the Nova Pro wireless. So what I want to start off with first is showing you the stock cushions. Here's on our Nova Pro wired. 100% pleather, hot and spicy. Yeah, they're plush, but again, they give way. Bam, next thing you know, your ear's touching the inside of the driver right there, right? But again, hot and spicy there. Now here's the stock cushion that came off the 7X. You do have that sports material right there, pleather lined on the inside, but again, they're just gonna give way over time. They are plush, but after long sessions, they give way. Next thing you know, your ears are touching the drivers. So before we install these, I wanna show you the Wicked cushions. Now we're looking at the Wicked Cushion Freeze right here. And as you see, we have the white retro design, tons of different designs to choose from. But first off, look at the ear pad. So you got that sports mesh right up here. You got that pleather inside and outside to really help lock in that sound, right? And then right below that, you have that gel. Y'all have seen me slice these open before everything. You have that cooling gel. Now, just to be clear, talking about these being cooling gel, there's nothing powered in these. This isn't an AC unit. It's not a freezer or a refrigerator, right? But what you are gonna always experience is that these pads are slightly cooler, a few degrees cooler than your room temperature, which I can feel right now, just clear as day, going from these to those right there, you know what I mean? But again, no, it's not a refrigerator. The one thing I want to point out, and I talked about this in some of my other previous videos, is don't store your headset by a heat source. Like, don't put it by a light or right next to your PC hanging on it, because any ear cushion is going to absorb that heat then, right? Keep it, again, hung up over by itself, away from the heat source, because again, it's gonna stay cool like that. When you put them on, you're gonna feel that difference clear as day. But other than that, I wanna show you the simplicity of actually installing these ear pads, right? You just bought a $200, $250 headset. You're kind of worried you don't wanna ruin it, right? Well, don't worry, trust me here. So we got our Arc'teryx Nova Pros right here, right? The wired version. Bam, you're just gonna stretch your ear cushion out and it comes off. We didn't damage the stock ear cushion. It's set right there. If you ever wanna go back to it, bam, you can still slap it on. It came off that easy, no damage, no nothing, whatever. Again, same on the 7X. That was the Wicked cushions coming off. Now, one thing I want you to look at on both of these headsets, again, Pro wired, over here, 7X. You see this little notch on the left side? Both ear pads have that, or both ear cups have that. What I want you to do is you're gonna take your new cushion. You see this little lip of fabric underneath it right there? You take that, tuck it into there, right? Take that little lip, tuck it into there, and then just kind of press down on your ear pads, because you want to hold that lip into that edge right there. You might have to go around a few times here. Let me see. It could slide off like I just did, and then we're just going to go around right here, slide it around, make sure that lip's staying on. Bam, and right there, it's right on there. So that is the biggest key. As I stated, hold that pressure while you're spinning it around right there, because as you see, if I let go of it a little bit, it kind of pops out. But if you hold that pressure, it gets locked around that ring perfectly. Look at that nice snug fit. It's not gonna fall off, it's not budging, it's not moving on you. Perfect fit, absolutely easy installation. And now if you look at the comparison of ear pads right here, just look at that size difference, right? And the plushness that it actually keeps within the ear pad rather than just going completely down. Like, yet all that loftness in there as well. It's gonna lock in that sound real nice. And then again, you got the stinking style. There's many different patterns for you to pick from. As you see over here on my 7X, I got that black and gray camo. Over here we got that retro, so you can dress your headset up to suit your personal style. So again, you guys hear me praise Wicked cushions left and right. Hence the reason I always bring them to share with you guys when they got hot new releases, right? There's never been a product I swore by so much. And everybody that has purchased these, I hear the feedback. Man, thank you so much. Wow, this is game changing. Holy smokes, it's like I got a new headset. And just putting these on right now, it's like, no joke, guys. It is hands down game changing as far as comfort, just the feel, right? It locks in that sound a little bit better for you. You know, the cooling gel. And then, of course, the style. All right. You all know I can sit here and talk for hours about these awesome ear cushions on an awesome gaming headset. Some of my favorites right now, as you all know, right? But again, me talking about it isn't gonna do the justice. You read the comments on my other videos about these, you pick them up, you use them, and I wanna hear what you think. And I bet you it is gonna be positive, and you're gonna be like, holy smokes, how have I not been using these? I need to get them for all of my headphones and headsets. So make sure to go check out those links right down in the description. Click on them, you can get a special Technique coupon code if you click on those links right down there as well. And again, don't forget to subscribe because I will be covering the Nova Pro Wireless soon as well, which you're gonna wanna check out.